Hardware Basic Skills Beginner Level Introduction. Hardware basic skills are the essential abilities needed to understand, use, maintain, and troubleshoot computer hardware. These skills help you work with physical computer components, fix basic issues, upgrade systems, build computers. Hardware skills are important for beginners in IT, students in computer science, anyone using computers daily. This topic helps beginners learn basic hardware handling, installation and upgrades, troubleshooting, safety practices. What are hardware basic skills? Hardware basic skills are the abilities required to work with computer components physically. In simple words, hardware skills, knowing how to handle and manage computer parts. A beginner view includes identifying components, installing hardware, connecting devices, troubleshooting problems, maintaining systems. Why hardware skills are important. These skills are important because they help fix common computer issues, reduce repair costs, improve system performance, enable upgrades, build technical confidence. Without these skills, you depend on technicians. Simple problems become difficult. Core hardware skills overview. Skill purpose, component identification, recognize parts, CPU, RAM, etc. Installation, install hardware components. Troubleshooting, fix hardware issues. Maintenance, keep system clean and functional. Upgrading, improve performance. Identifying components. You should be able to identify CPU, RAM, storage, SSD, HDD, motherboard, PSU. Example. Components equals CPU, RAM, SSD, motherboard. Installing hardware. Basic installation tasks. Installing RAM, connecting storage, mounting motherboard, connecting cables. Example. Installed equals true. Print hardware installed. Installed. You should know how to connect USB devices, monitor, HDMI DisplayPort, keyboard and mouse, network cables. Example. Devices equals keyboard, mouse, monitor, troubleshooting basics. Common problems. Computer not turning on, no display, slow performance. Basic troubleshooting steps. Check power connections, restart system, reconnect components, test hardware. Example. Power equals false. If not power, print, check power supply. Maintenance skills. Maintenance includes cleaning dust, managing cables, checking temperatures, updating firmware. Example. System clean equals true. Print system maintenance done, system clean. Upgrading hardware. Common upgrades. Add more RAM, replace HDD with SSD, upgrade GPU, upgrade CPU. Example. Upgrade equals SSD. Print upgraded to upgrade. Safety practices. Important safety tips. Apply. Turn off power before working. Use anti-static precautions. Handle components carefully. Avoid touching circuits. Use proper tools. Example. Power off equals true if power off. Print. Safe to work on hardware. Simple hardware workflow. Def check system. Print. Checking components. Def install component. Print installing hardware. Def test system. Print system working properly. Check system. Install component. Test system. Full menu-based hardware skill simulation. Python. Def identify. Print identifying components. Def install. Print installing hardware. Def troubleshoot. Print checking issues. Def maintain. Print cleaning system. While true. Print N1 identify components. Print 2 install hardware. Print 3 troubleshoot. Print 4 maintain system. Print 5 exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, identify. Elif choice equals 2, install. Elif choice equals 3, troubleshoot. Elif choice equals 4, maintain. Elif choice equals 5, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from hardware skills. Handling computer components. Installing and upgrading hardware. Troubleshooting basics. maintenance practices, safety awareness. Real-life analogy. Hardware skills are like mechanic skills for a car. Identify parts means engine, battery. Fix issues means repair problems. Maintain means keep it clean and working. Ways to improve hardware skills. Practice assembling PCs. Watch hardware tutorials. Experiment with upgrades. Learn troubleshooting techniques. Work with real systems. Common mistakes beginners make. Not turning off power. Injury. Handling components roughly. Ignoring compatibility. Skipping troubleshooting steps. Poor cable management. Where hardware skills are used. Used in IT support, system administration, PC building, electronics and embedded systems, repair services. Simple definition. Hardware basic skills. The essential abilities required to handle, install, maintain, and troubleshoot computer hardware. Final summary. Hardware skills help you understand computer components, fix common issues, upgrade systems, improve performance. Learning these skills makes you more independent and technically confident.